Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. These new peplum tops from Time and True. They have the thin strap elastic. It's a soft kind of lightweight fabric, has that same fit through the back in the beige, and they're going to be $13.98. New jumpsuit from Free Assembly. So the woman from Walmart that went to the YouTube shopping event was wearing this, and she had it styled nicely. She put a little scarf around her neck. It looked really cute. So it has this smaller collar, full zip, belt, nice flowy leg, cropped through the front with pockets on the back, and these are $34. New color in this button down top from Time and True. So this has the smaller collar, full button, this little tie detail, dolman sleeve, same fit through the back with the same detail, and comes in the white, also in the stripe, and they're going to be $18.98. New tier dress from Time and True. So this one has this smaller collar, button up into the waist, seam detail with the tiers, flowy fit in the black, also comes in the green, and they're going to be $17.98. New tie front tanks from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, this little tie, that ruffle, relaxed fit with the seam, smocking in the back in the white, also comes in coral, and they are going to be $12.98. Also new halter tops from No Boundaries. So these have the scoop, it's fitted through the body, a little shorter, and then open in the back in the red, black, there's navy and white, and they are going to be $5.98. New tie front tops from No Boundaries. So these have a thicker strap, soft and stretchy with the lace kind of overlay, tie detail, squared in the back, and then it also comes in this floral. The material is a little bit different on that one, and these are going to be $10.98. New colors in this tier dress from No Boundaries. So this has the plunging V, side seam detail, tiers and flowy through the front and the back. Comes in the new corally red, also in black, and they are $12.98. Also new tube tops from No Boundaries. These have that elastic at the top, the handkerchief bottom, smocking in the back in the navy or blue. There's also red. I don't see any other colors, and these are going to be $9.98. New dresses from No Boundaries. So these are ribbed and stretchy, has a thin adjustable strap, built-in shelf bra, fitted through the front and the back in the navy, also comes in the green. Over here they have red and black, and they're going to be $5.98. So $6 for a dress. You could size up if you want more length and more of a relaxed fit. New cover-up dresses from Jessica Simpson. So these have the thin strap, that plunging V, has the drop tier and scoops in the middle. Comes in the ivory, also in this print, and these are going to be $26. And then in that same print they have this one piece with the ruching lace back, and this one is $30. And then they also have the matching sarong. It's a lightweight material. This one's $15. And then a high-rise one piece, and that's what the top looks like with the little ruching. So the bottoms are going to be $18, and then the top is going to be $20. New matching separates from Avia. So this is the thin strap scoop neckline. It has that built-in shelf bra with the seamless material at the bottom. It has a little bit of a crisscross back in the rust, also comes in black, and these are going to be $12.98. They have this matching shorts. These have that seamless ribbed waistband fitted, only seeing this color, and these are $9.48. And then on this side, also in that same kind of seamless material, they have a racer back top in the green, also comes in black, and this one's $12.98. And then they also have the leggings in that same kind of seamless material, and these are $14.98. I'm only seeing green. They also have new from No Boundaries. These, like, it's a stretchy kind of seamless material with the cap sleeve. It is shorter through the front and back in this really pretty purple, and then they also have this teal, and they're going to be $7.98. Also new coral color in the sweatpants. So these match back to the Malibu sweatshirt that I shared in a haul. The only thing is they have a blue graphic. They are that jogger style, and they're a soft fleece on the inside. And then these are going to be $9.98. Also new short sleeve sweaters from Free Assembly. These have a crew neckline, has the ribbed sleeve and then also the ribbed bottom. Same fit through the back. And the navy also comes in white. And these are going to be $18. New colors in the gauze dress from Time and True. So these have that split V, sleeveless, relaxed fit through the front and the back. Comes in black, fuchsia, green, and we saw that white. And they are going to be $16.98. Also new colors in the tier dress from Time and True. So they have the scoop neckline, tiers all the way down. Same kind of fit. Now in this oatmeal, we saw red, green, rust, black. On this side they have this new light blue and then also a new gold. And they're $11.98. New colors in this acid wash t-shirt dress from Time and True. So they have a crew neckline. It's a relaxed fit. The little pocket. In the acid wash green, black, that white and blue stripe, the black and white stripe. And then on this side they have a new burgundy. And then also that new baby blue. And they're $13.98. From Time and True. So these have the smaller collar, button up into the waist tiers, flowy through the front and the back. And the green palm also comes in the white and blue. There's a green and they're $17.98. New dresses from No Boundaries. So these are ribbed material. They have the built-in shelf bra fitted through the body, same through the back, in the green, blue, and black, and those are only $5. And then this is a Henley style. I shared this in a haul, but it looks like somebody picked it up and returned it. It's that boxy fit from Time and True, smaller collar. It's not a full button down, but it is in that gauze material and you can layer it up, and I'm pretty sure those are $12.98. I got it in the olive green. These are from No Boundaries. They're ribbed. They have the plunging V, relaxed fit in the white, but they also come in black. There's this teal color. I think they have some other colors online, that coral, and those are only $5. New shorts from Avia. So these have an elastic waistband. They have that side pocket, built-in lining. These are really soft and stretchy. In the green, also comes in blue, and then this brown. It's like a pinkish brown, and they're $12.98. The tops from Time and True. It has that elastic, long sleeve with the little button, full button down, this little tie detail, same fit through the back. And these are going to be $16.98. Also new dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that scoop neckline, flutter sleeve, smocking, flowy fit through the front and the back. In the white, also comes in black, and they're $28. Also new denim shorts from Levi's and Strauss. These are a 4-inch inseam. It says the vintage shorts. They have that raw hem. These are nice, soft, and stretchy. They're not that thick, uncomfortable denim. In this lighter chambray, also comes in the mid-tone. They're $21.98. New tanks from Scoop. So these have the thicker strap, that scoop neckline. It's a smoothing material, really good length to the front and the back. In the white, also comes in black, and they're $14. They also have in the same material these plunging VTs. So these have that V neckline, cap sleeve, that same smoothing material. In the white, also comes in black, and they're $15. Also new lace tank from MADDEN NYC. This one has the thicker strap, that plunging V, has the little handkerchief bottom, the ruching on the side. In the white, also comes in the orange, and they're $12.50. The Time and True jeggings are also on sale online. These have an elastic waistband fitted through the leg. They have both capri and the full length. In the beige green, there's black, this mocha color, denim, solid weight, regularly $14.98. They're down to $8.98. Then also new Bermuda shorts from Levi's. These have the high rise whiskering, the little cuff, pockets on the back. They're $21.98 in the dark indigo, and then they also come in a mid-tone. New contrast tanks from No Boundaries. So these have that square neckline, ribbed, a little cropped in the red and white. There's gray and white, the blue and white. I love that color blue. And then a light blue with the navy. And these are $6.98. New color in this side tie tee from Time and True. So this has that higher neckline, the dolman sleeve, this little tie detail. Now in the green, we saw it in the pink, white. I have it in the black, and they're only $9.98. New color in the short alls from No Boundaries. So these have that square neckline, adjustable straps, raw hem at the bottom. Now in this mid-tone also, we saw it in the red, and these are $16.98. New leggings prints from No Boundaries. So there's that soft microfiber. It says high rise ankle length. Now in this blue kind of paisley that's on trend. There's solid red is new. This pink floral, they're $6.98. They also have the regular black, and then they have the stretchy cotton style for $4.98 in black, gray, and the denim. New license and graphic tees. This one's from Social Edition, just a little firecracker with the bear. How cute is that? It says love y'all. This one's from Round Up, and then right next to that they have Peanuts, a little mesh Spider-Man, like jersey style, Betty Boop. These are $10.98. This is $9.98. This one's $5.48. And then the little cowboy hat is $5.48. New prints in these pajama sets from Joyce Bun. So these have that V neckline. It's a relaxed fit. Shorts are pull-on. How cute is this new print? They also have Love Always with the heart. There's that blue. Bring Me Coffee in Bed with the plaid. And these are going to be $9.98. And then they also have this tank style from Area. These have the thicker strap, squared neckline, the little pleated detailing, Henley buttons, midi length in the floral. Also comes in purple and white. There's the pink dot, and then that white and blue. And they're $14.98. New colors in the Skims dupe bodysuits from No Boundaries. So now they have the light blue. They have that thong style back. Also comes in nude, red, and black. And they're $16.98. New seamless tanks from No Boundaries. So these are like cami, bralette kind of things. They have the thin strap cropped, squared in the back in the white, pink. There's brown and black. Those are $6.98. And then they also have this bandeau style. There's that double lining. There's not a whole lot of support. That's what it looks like on it. It says four-way stretch in the blue, yellow, rust, and pink, and those are also $6.98. In the men's, they have new polos from George. This looks like the small size might be a small, but you could size down one or two. These probably shrink a little bit too in the dryer, so they have the little pocket. In the blue, these are really soft. And then there's yellow, green, and the orange, and they're only $9.98. I saw a girl at Disney the other day, and she had one of these button-down shirts on, like oversized, with a white tank and little tennis skirt. It looked really cute, like one of those active skirts. So this is from George. It has the smaller collar, full button, relaxed fit. These are nice and lightweight. They're $12.98 in this pineapple. How pretty is this color? It's like a linen texture. There's a red and white hibiscus. That's cute for like a Lilo and Stitch. I think somebody commented on one of my social medias. There's also this black hibiscus. There's a blue. And then licensed shirts. They have Snoopy. There's Beetlejuice. And they're $19.98. You also have some new button-down shirts from No Boundaries. These are in the men's section. So they have this new print. The motorcycles. There's a black tropical floral. There's a palm. This check. A blue sun. We saw the fruit. I was going to do an outfit with this, and then I just put it back. I didn't use it. And then there's a blue and beige. And these are always really affordable. They're $12.98. And they also have, usually online, the matching shorts. But I sized down, I think, 2. I got an extra small ones in there. They are small in the hips, so I would look at the measurements. Also new crochet totes from No Boundaries. So we saw this blue one in the last video. Now they have this multicolor. They're really nice, roomy inside with this snap closure. In this multicolor, there's black and white, and then the little beaded, little like cherries and watermelon. And then also new from No Boundaries, they have these straw totes. Has a zipper compartment, and they'll be linked down below. They brought back the neoprene totes from No Boundaries. So these have that snap closure. How pretty is this purple tie-dye? They also have a pink. There's the beige and black, and they're $19.99. Also some new clips. So they have the watermelon now. I think we saw the lemon before. And then the 2-pack for $5.97, the black and white, and then also turquoise. Babo Bar, look for less from Pack Party. So they have the dangle strawberries, there's hoops, cowboy boots, they also have these little fruit hoops. All of the earrings are $6.92, necklace is $9.92. Also new summer trucker style hats from No Boundaries. So they have this golden blue with beach bomb, there's white with the blue, surf club, salt sand sea, these are $9.97, and then right next to that, new bucket hats. So these are also from No Boundaries. There's an embroidered cherry and then a stripe, and those are $12.97. And then another Madewell look for less hat. This one has the shells, the fringe trim, and these are $17.97. New fedoras from Time and Tru. These have that front pinch with the pink. Also comes in the navy, and those are $8.97. Floppy hats from Time and Tru. So they have that nice oversized brim, the top in the white, the beige. Those are $9.97. And then this new, I like this one because it's like a mix of everything, like a fedora, but also has that nice oversized brim. This one's a Panama hat, and it's $8.97. And then it also comes in the black. New totes and little bags from No Boundaries. So this is a like textured material. It's almost like a plastic. I guess they're reversible. In the pink with the white flowers. There's also this yellow with the fuchsia. There's a black and white palm, and then this print. And those are $22.98. They also have in that same material the waist bag. So they have that top zipper, adjustable strap. They're $12.98 in those same colors. And then they have these little pouches. It's a 2-pack in the palm, the pink stripe, and the floral, and those are $14.98. New aerosol loafers. So these have the round toe, that gold hardware with the cutout, rubbered bottom, and these are $25. Also new wedges from Aerosol. These have the round toe. It has that memory foam bottom with this stretchy material. Has the wedge, and these are $25. I had a request for the flip-flops. So these are from No Boundaries. They have the foam, the little rubbered thong style in the black. They also have white, the new black with cherries. There's a pink we saw this summer, and then the leopard, and those are $4.48. We also have the wedge little foam flip-flops. These have the round toe, this nylon, and they're $13.98. And then they also have this style with the nylon. It's like a rainbow foam, and those are $12.98. Sneakers, they have these from Time and Tru. So you have the round toe, rubbered bottom. They're also available in wide width. They're $10.98, and they also come in black. And then these slip-on sneakers from No Boundaries. These have the round toe, elastic, the rubbered bottom. These also come in black, and they're $16.98. Also new water shoes from Athletic Works. These have the round toe. It says they're breathable, and these are $12.98. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.